In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create Shopify store with AI. To begin, open your browser and go to shopify.com. Once you are on the homepage, create a new account. Shopify will guide you through the basic sign-up process, and this is the first step to getting access to your store dashboard. Take your time here and make sure everything is set up correctly because this account will be the foundation for managing your online store. After your account is ready, you will be taken into your new Shopify dashboard. This is where you will control the important parts of your store, including your branding, store information, products, and settings. For this tutorial, the next area you need to open is the Settings section. Look for Settings in your dashboard, then go to Store Details. This section is where you can define the core identity of your shop. Inside Store Details, Shopify gives you access to built-in AI tools called Shopify Magic. These tools are designed to help speed up setup and make your store information more polished. Instead of writing everything manually, you can use the AI text fields to generate key business details for you. Start with your store name. Shopify Magic can help create an optimized name based on the type of business you want to run. This is useful if you want something that sounds professional, clear, and brand-friendly. Review the suggestions carefully and choose the one that best fits your store. Next, use the same AI-powered fields to generate your business category details. This helps Shopify better understand what your store is about and can also improve how your business information is organized. Make sure the category description matches the kind of products or services you plan to offer. You can also use Shopify Magic to generate your public billing information. This saves time and helps ensure that the details are written in a clean and consistent format. As always, review the information before saving it so everything is accurate and suitable for your business. The main advantage here is speed and convenience. Shopify Magic helps you move through store setup faster while still giving you useful, optimized content. Once you have filled in these details, your store will already feel much more complete and professionally structured. That covers everything you need to know.